Hello again. It's me. I'm back with several useful and interesting tips in Blender. So let's start today. The first tip. By default, in modeling, we copy our model using Shift-D, which duplicates the model. And for this method, we need to apply changes to each model individually, one by one. As you can see, I'm applying changes to each model separately, which is time consuming and might not be the same at the end. But there is another way. We can use Alt-D to duplicate the model. See? If I edit one of these models, the changes are applied to all with the same accuracy. Let's do some changes on them. See, all of them change together, and I can edit the model whenever I need to. Okay. The next one. To apply the modifiers from one model to another one with the same order and number, simply select the model with the modifiers applied. Here, I'm using various modifiers to this model, such as bevel, weighted normal, and others, including the mirror modifier just to increase the number. Let's do it together. Create several of them and a good distance. Mirror them again to have more of them. Okay. Now I add another cube to the scene. Press Ctrl L and select the modifiers option. As you can see, all those modifiers are applied to the cube in the same order, and I can edit them if necessary. Also, I enable the auto smooth option at the end for better shading. Up. That's it. For the next tip, I select the object option and choose convert to mesh to apply all the modifiers at once, and there is no need to apply them individually. The next one. In this tip, we have an object composed of different parts, and to separate them, I select the object, press P and choose separated. Okay? Another option is by loose parts, which automatically separates the objects, and there is no need to do it manually. See how easy it could be? Okay. In the next part, I have an object and I select a part of it in edit mode. As you can see, I select some parts for the pivot point. Finally, I place the last selected part on the main face. Press S and then click on the X-axis, and our object is changed parallel to the same axis. Now for more detailed editing, I make some additional edits here to make our model more attractive, resulting in a much more appealing appearance. See? Very nice. And the last tip. For the final tip, I add another cube, subdivide one of its faces several times, select a part of it in edit mode, and choose a circle option, and delete that part. I also delete the back face for a better view and then make a copy of this cube and place it in front of the original one. Now to connect these two holes, I select the loop tool and the bridge option. Yes, as you can see, the connection is made easily. I also add an edge loop for better shading. That's it. I hope you enjoyed these tips today, and I'm waiting for your feedback, guys. As usual, love you all. Bye.